So we're here today at Spetchley Park Estate. We brought the Avant with us to help us with the wiring. We bought the Avant 3-point linkage adapter carrier so we can put our own implements on the front, which adds a different range of versatility on top of the Avant implement range. So we can carry the 500 metre rolls of net, which weigh about 250 kilos, and we can tension longer runs of wire, and it just speeds up productivity on site, and it's sort of an extra person really. Like the Avant, for its size to power ratio, we can tow it behind a pickup. It's only 2.7 tons, but it has the power to handle anything you put on the front of it. I would recommend an Avant to any contracting business really that has to travel while still performing on site. Farms, you know, you've got to look at Avant, especially the 860, as an option compared to smaller ability telehandlers. Just the versatility it gives you and the range of stuff you can put on the front of them, it's a serious consideration for most contracting businesses, I would say.